Now this is the SolidWorks assembly window. Now it is asking me begin assembly, just cancel it. Now here first we will make a simple sketch which is going to fix our gears. So I'll choose here front plane sketch. Let me draw circle. 1 2 3. We will use 3 gears, so let's create a relation. Select first two circles, tangent relation. The same here, this two tangent relation. But let me select this, go inside, select this point and this. Let's define it. 80 millimeter, the inner one 40 millimeter, and the top one, it's by default 20 millimeter. Okay, now simply exit. If you want to see the dimension, just click annotation, show feature dimensions. Now you can easily able to see. Now just go to toolbox. If you don't have toolbox here, just simply go to add-ins, drop down this menu, add-ins, and here you will find one option, toolbox library. Select both the things here. Okay, now it's time to add gear. So go to toolbox. Now we will go to ISO standard, then power transmission, gears, and we will choose here spur gear. So first we will bring for center circle, or you can say sun gear. Module we will keep two. Number of teeth, let's take 20. Pressure angle 20. Face width 12. Okay, 12 mm. And this is the type A we are going to choose. Shaft diameter we will keep 10, and no need to give any key or anything. Just select OK. Now it is asking you need one more, so select no. Let me select the plane. Now I'll bring the one more spur gear. Here also everything same. Module 2, the only number of teeth we will make 10, because we need this one smaller. 20 and face width 12. This all same. Type A, nominal shaft diameter 10. Okay. We need here one more, so select one more, choose OK. Now this time we will select sketch, edit sketch, take the normal, and here we will make one more circle. Tangent relation, and tangent relation. That's it. Exit. Now this all we will going to fixed here. So how we will do this one? First select here axis, drop down the menu, choose front plane, I'll choose first this option, line. Okay, again select. Here you can choose show permanent axis. Again I'll choose front plane and select this circle. Okay, now what else balance? Just okay, right, by default first part always fixed, so right click on the first part and select float. Now it's moving. That's it. Axis. I'll choose center point and from here front plane. Okay, now all the axes we created. Let's start to add this gear here. Choose here matte. I'll select this circle hole and make concentric relation. Okay, now select front plane and the back of gear. Now see, it's going to fixed here. Now the same we will apply for all this small gear. This small gear is actually planetary gear and the center one is sun gear. So this is concentric relation. Again the same front plane and this face go inside. Okay, now the last one circle and axis. Okay, front plane and this coincident. Now all the gear fix in their place. Okay, now let me hide this show feature dimension. Okay, this. Now we need one external gear, internal spur gear. Drag. Now this is the internal spur gear. Module we will keep 2 and the teeth is 40. Yeah, we need 40 number of teeth for this. Pressure angle 20, face width 12. And outside diameter 25. That's fine. Okay, so this is what we kept. Select here. Okay, cancel. Now select here matte. Select. Okay, better we will add something, so we want to edit this one, so select this part, open part. Okay, now it is asking to save. Now this is the part we need to little increase, so this is the plane, sketch, normal, choose here circle and select up to this outer circle, extrude and select here thickness 4 millimeter. Make sure it's going outside and select here through all. See, it's going to cover all. Okay, now that's fine. Now just go to window and select here assembly 1, close. Now here delete this matte reference. Okay, now that's fine. Now let's try to add matte. I'll choose this axis and this circular face, concentric relation. Okay, now the same here, front plane and back side, coincident relation. Okay, cancel. Okay, extrude thickness, let's make little, is 2 millimeter. Okay, and go to window, assembly 1. Now from here you can change document image quality. Image quality keep higher, so you will get a clear and good result. Now see, now it's time to hide this all. So select this all axis, right click and hide, or even you can directly hide from here also. Sketch also you can hide. Now it's time to add relation. First adjust the gear. Keep, there should not be interference. There is no interference. Even you can check it by just go to evaluate, select here interference detection, select here DC assembly selected, calculate. Now it is asking you no interference. Okay, now it's time to add some gear relation. So how will you do this? Go to mat, mechanical mat, gear. First we will make this gear and this gear. Now here the teeth, see here we will define 20 and 10. 20 and 10 relation, do not select reverse gear. Okay, now again we will choose gear, select these two. Here also the sun gear keep 20 and planetary gear 10. Okay, and the last one, select this one, and for this one, outer one, and keep 40, outer one 40 and inner one 10 millimeter. Okay, okay, now let's try to play. Now look, one gear is going reverse, see. Now see, it's the upper both sun planet gear rotating reverse direction, so we will change some position. Gear 3, so this one we will first we will do, we will fix in proper position. Okay, in both side. Okay, now gear 3, edit, and here choose reverse. See here the ratio is 40 and 10. Okay, okay, now let's try. Now that's perfectly moving, see. So this is the sun, you can say planetary gear, sun and planetary gear. I hope you like it. So let's make simple animation for this. I want to define some color for this. I choose this part, not face, I'll select body. I select clear, and let me choose this body, and yellow. Okay, okay, this all color going to be yellow, then fine. And the outer one, let's say green, but choose your body, not Okay, that's fine. You just save this one, all save in your destination. I choose to save in a AA file. Save, it's already there, so replace, yes. The second one also AA file, save. Now right click here, motion manager, go to motion study, and let me choose here motion analysis. I'll choose 50 frame per second and drag it up to 8 second, and let me choose motor. I'll select the center one, center hole, 10 revolution per second. Okay, calculate. Now see how it's calculating. So this is the simple sun and planetary gear. We will do one more relation. Now this is rotating all together. Now play. Now see this rotating together. Now we will rotate in different way. Just go to model, and here we will add make some relation. Okay, this relation we will skip. Suppress. The second, suppress. Comes down, and all gear suppress. Here we will make one more. This center one also suppress. These three relations we suppressed. Now go to motion study, create new motion, and here we will create, let me choose here motion analysis, and frame I'll keep 50 frame. Contacts, I'll select all the body, and material is steel dry. Okay, 8 second, and let me choose here motor. I'll select this as a center of rotation or motor axis. 10 revolution per minute. Okay, now just calculate. Now see how is going to rotate. All the outer gear, or you can say internal teeth gear, is fixed, and other all center gear is rotating. Once it will finish, we will play, and you will see the option how it's going to rotate. It's taking time because this perfectly rotating each other. Now play. Now you can see how it's rotating. Sun and planetary gear rotating, but the outer one is still calm. So this is also one of the method. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any comment, just write down below. We will try to answer each and every question. If you want to save this geometry, you can always save it by clicking here. Select your location, your file name, your format, file format, only we have AVI file. Renderer always keep screen. And here the aspect ratio I always it is select here fixed aspect ratio. You can just uncheck and write whatever you like. So I'll always go for this HDTV 50. Select save. Already one file there in the name of